Hello friends, this is Ananya. Welcome back to the session. Today we are going to discuss on the concept of confidence intervals using R with Statsbuddy. Let's together solve a problem using this concept. Alright, a population is known to be normally distributed. Assuming that the population standard deviation is 2.8, compute the 95% confidence interval of the mean based on the following sample of 9. Alright, let's together solve this using Statsbuddy. Here you can see the homepage of Statsbuddy, and under this concept of statistics, let's go into the concept of descriptive statistics. And here I have already given the input data, and in this, we are going to calculate mean and standard deviation. Now let's just create the code, copy the code, and then paste it on RStudio. There we are. Here we got the mean and standard deviation of the sample. Now let's just note this over here. Now let's just calculate the confidence interval, which is 95%. All right, let's go to Statsbuddy. And then let's get into the confidence interval section. And here I have already given the input parameters as the sample size is 9. Sample mean is 14.22 as we calculated in the previous section. The standard deviation is 2.8. Here we are taking the type as population. And the confidence coefficient as given in the question, it's going to be 0.95. Now we are calculating the upper and lower critical value of confidence intervals. As simple as it is, we are just creating and copying the code and pasting on RStudio. Here we are. We got the upper limit as 16.05 and lower limit as 12.39. Now let's move forward to the next question. Now we are going to compute the 99% confidence interval using the same data, assuming that the population standard deviation is unknown. So in this question, we are going to change the details a little bit. As they have asked the standard deviation to be unknown for the population, we are taking the sample's standard deviation instead. So the sample standard deviation is 4.68. Let's just enter that value over here. And now the confidence coefficient is 0.99 as given in the question. Let's just create the code for this and then copy the code and paste it. There we are. So this is the upper limit and this is the lower limit. That is it for this section. Meet you in the next session. Have a great day ahead.